Well, it's Oktoberfest time again, so I thought I would celebrate by just whipping up a casserole I thought I'd just make up in my mind. I'll show you how to make an Oktoberfest casserole. Let's do it. Let's prepare a baking dish. I've cooked up some O'Brien potatoes. I'll throw them in there. I've got some shredded Swiss cheese. I'll sprinkle some on top of there. I found these pretzel buns. I'm gonna rip little pieces of that and throw it on top next. Pretzels. I have a can of sauerkraut. That's gonna go on next. And then I'm gonna add on some cooked Bratwurst. And then I'll finish with more Swiss cheese. And I'm gonna bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. I just wanted to whip up something quick and easy. Oktoberfest Casserole. It works. Everything tastes great together. I served with a little Thousand Island on top to give it an extra pizzazz. It's a tasty casserole, I'd say. I don't think it really needs both potatoes and pretzels because that's a lot of carbs. But it's Oktoberfest. Come on! I think I'd give this a 7.5 out of 10. What do you call a plate that's been autographed? A signature dish.